That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4.
He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket.
Oh, lovely shot. That is a beauty. That will be 4. That's a very unorthodox kind of a field he has set. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. He has found the gap. That is a boundary. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. Wide ball signaled by the umpire. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. They have run the first one quick. That is excellent running between the wickets. Slips in place. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Spinner into the action from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Not just it for a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.
Here is a fielder at deep extra cover.
That is 6. That is just magnificent batting. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy.
In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike.
This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Edged and four. It is showtime. Crowd going mad here. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. And he helps himself to a 6.
Can he do it again?
Edged, but it's trickled away for 4. Unlucky for the bowler.
He seems to have carried his form from the last match.
Oh, shot, but only a single. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running. That is a very quick single taken. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Missed that completely. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match. That's gone high in the air, and that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Spinner into the action from the other end. Slips in place. Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That's into the gap. Should look for 3. Brilliant pickup and throw, and that looks out.
He is taking the long walk towards the pavilion.
That was such a waste of a wicket. That's into the gap. Should look for 2. That is excellent running between the wickets.
He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery.
They would definitely have a score in their mind.
plays and misses. He had no option but to go for it at this stage of the match.
Strokes it into the gap for a single.
That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise.
Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now.
Batsman getting ready to face his first ball.
What a ball that was. He couldn't believe his luck. Excellent delivery first out.
The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field.
Straight up in the air, and that's a six.
There is no better sight than watching him bat at his best. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. That was a quick single. Nice running between the wickets. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Slips in place. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Last ball of the innings coming up. They're converting ones into twos and twos into threes here. That is excellent running.